Welcome to ICT Kenya. In this quick video, we will compare the ifs and switch functions in Excel to compute grades and assign points. This is perfect for students, teachers, or anyone who loves efficient solutions. Let us calculate grades using ifs function. So unlike ifs is cleaner and easier to write. This formula checks the scores in B2. If it's 90 or higher, it assigns an A, and so on. With anything below 50, assigned an F. Now you can see it is clean, efficient, and easy to understand. Now let's assign points using switch function. This is great when working with exact matches, like grades to points. Here, the formula assigns 12 points for an A, 10 for a B, and so on, defaulting to 1 point for an F. The switch function is a great way to simplify your formulae for specific matches. So in summary, ifs is perfect for ranges like grades, while switch excels with exact matches like points. Use both to simplify your Excel workflows. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ICT Kenya for more quick tips.